Hi, in front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 3, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system option, and here we have this option called essential mode. This is basically a power saving mode. Let's tap on it. Here we have a little description of the mode. As you can see, it says that essential mode greatly extends your battery life. Basically, it will turn off almost all of the functions of the watch to save the battery life. Okay, let's wake up the screen again on our watch, scroll down and tap on the check mark to confirm and enable the essential mode. And here we have it. After a couple of seconds, the essential mode will be enabled. And basically that's it. We have hour, date, steps, and I believe seconds maybe, yes. And we can use the upper button to use the backlight, basically turn on and off the backlight. And we can also use the lower button to check our heart rate, like this. And to exit this mode, we need to press and hold the upper button until we see the TicWatch logo on the screen, like this. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.